Hello, in this video I want to show you all available screen-off gestures for OPPO Reno10. And to do this, we'll need to open our system settings, then scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Here, select gestures and motions, and there's a whole lot of different gestures, but we're gonna go for screen-off gestures. If you're interested in all of them, I recommend to watch our video on how to use all gestures and motions on this device. So let's go for screen-off gestures. When we activate them, we can see all of the options that are available. First one being double tap to wake or turn off your screen. So when you lock your device, you can double tap on the screen to wake it up and double tap again to lock it. Next feature is draw O to open a camera. There's also draw V to turn on a flashlight or turn it off. There's a music control as well. Now let's lock our device. We can draw O to open a camera. Then we can draw V to turn on or off our flashlight. And the music control works basically just like that. So you can draw the pause to play or resume music. You can draw arrow to the right to play next track and draw arrow to the left to play previous track. That's all of these three options that we have. And then the last is more. And here you can find three different gestures that you can draw on your lock screen. Let's activate one of them. And if you click on it, you can change a function. So it can unlock your phone, make a call to a specific person, open an app. And I'm gonna go with Google Chrome. Now, if we draw arrow up, we'll need to obviously unlock our phone, and then it should instantly launch this specific app. And then the rest of this gestures work basically the same way. You just change the function for it and draw a different gesture. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.